Hello everyone, and welcome back to the EGSMA tutorial series. Today, we're exploring zone-wise shipping to help admins and sellers streamline shipping by setting rates based on international zones. So let's get started. First, log in to the EGSMA admin panel. Go to the three dots in the top right corner and click on the Feature App section. Now, locate the Shipping Feature app and click Enable. If it's already enabled, you'll see it marked as active. It is mandatory to have real-time carrier-calculated shipping enabled in your Shopify store as required by Shopify for retrieving shipping rates from third-party sources. Now let's explore the shipping configuration. Go to the Configuration section and open Marketplace Shipping Configuration. This is the control center for all shipping-related settings in your EGSMA platform. By customizing these settings as per your requirements, you can build a smooth and efficient shipping management system. Here are the essential settings you need to configure. Shipping type. You can choose from three types: country-wise, zone-wise, and postcode-wise. If you have different shipping rates for each country, select country-wise. If you use fixed rates for a group of countries, select zone-wise. If your rates are based on postcodes, select postcode-wise. In this video, we'll focus on zone-wise shipping. When you select the zone-wise shipping type, a few additional settings will appear. Restrict buyer. Enable this to disable the Add to Cart or Buy Now buttons for products using zone-wise shipping, preventing customers from purchasing items unavailable in their location. Allow delivery days for zone-wise shipping. Enable this to let sellers set delivery days for each zone, which will be visible to customers during checkout. Scroll up and select Choose Shipping Type for Marketplace. You can choose either single shipping or multiple shipping. In single shipping, the seller can assign only one shipping method per product. In multiple shipping, the seller can assign multiple shipping methods per product based on the shipping options enabled in their panel. We'll start with the single shipping option and cover multiple shipping options later. After configuring all these settings, click Save. Once you select zone-wise shipping, you'll get an option to add shipping zones in the app. To do this, go to Configuration, scroll down, and click on Shipping Zones. Then click Add Shipping Zone, enter a zone name, click Select Countries, and after choosing the countries, scroll down and click the Do It button. Now click on Save. You can use the three dots in the Action column to edit, disable, or delete these zones. These zones will be available for sellers to set their shipping rates. Next, go to the Configuration section, scroll down, and click on Shipping Methods. Here, you'll see the active marketplace shipping methods. You can view the sellers using each method or configure them by clicking the three dots in the Action column to edit, enable, disable, or delete the shipping method. That completes the admin side configuration. Now, let's switch to the seller side to see how sellers can manage the marketplace shipping configuration. First, log in to the seller panel, then go to Configuration, then Marketplace Shipping Configuration. Enable the shipping status and click Save. This activates marketplace shipping for the seller. Now, to set up shipping rates under this marketplace shipping method, go to Configuration, then Shipping Method. Click on the three dots and select View Shipping. Step 1. Add a range. First, you need to add ranges for the products. Click here, then select Add New Range. Choose whether the range is based on price or weight, enter the range details, and click Save. As you can see, we have already added a few ranges, and you can edit or delete them from here. Then click on the View Shipping button. Step 2. Configure zone-specific rates. To set the shipping rates, click here and select a zone from the drop-down. Then specify the delivery days, set the shipping charges, and click Save. Similarly, you can add and manage more shipping ranges and zones using the button on the top right. You can also edit, disable, or delete the shipping rates for a zone by clicking on the three dots. After the seller is done setting up the shipping rates, they can also verify them on the product form when adding a new product. The seller will see the configured shipping method available to select in the product form. This completes the setup for zone-wise shipping with the single shipping option. Now, let's look at the configuration for the multiple shipping option in marketplace shipping. Now, let's go back to the Admin panel and open Configuration, then scroll down to Marketplace Shipping Configuration. Scroll to the Choose Shipping Type setting and select Multiple Shipping. You will see a new option appear, Choose Shipping on Page. This lets you decide where customers will select their shipping method. Choose the appropriate option, then click Save. Once saved, the update is applied successfully. Then go to the Configuration section, scroll down, and open Shipping Methods. Here, you'll see the list of all marketplace shipping methods. To add a new method, click on Add Shipping Method. Select the shipping category type, enter the turnaround time, specify the shipping method name, and then click Save. You can edit, enable, or disable, and delete these shipping methods by clicking on the three dots in the Action column. That completes the admin side configuration. Now, let's switch to the seller side. In the Seller panel, go to Configuration, then Shipping Methods. Here, you'll see the list of all marketplace shipping methods. The seller can click on the three dots in the Action column and select Enable to activate a shipping method on their side. The seller can also set their turnaround time from here and mark any shipping method as default. Now, let's set up the shipping rates for the multiple shipping method. The seller can follow the same steps as before. Click on the three dots in the Action column and select View Shipping. Step 1. Add a range. First, the seller needs to add ranges for the products. Click here, then select Add New Range. Choose whether the range is based on price or weight, enter the range details, and click Save. The seller can also edit or delete this range from here. Then click on View Shipping. Step 2. Configure zone-specific rates. To set the shipping rates, click here and select a zone from the drop-down. Enter the delivery days, set the shipping charges, and then click Save. Similarly, you can add and manage more shipping ranges and zones using the button on the top right. You can also edit, disable, or delete the zone-specific shipping rates by clicking on the three dots. After the seller finishes setting up the shipping rates, they can verify them on the product form while adding a product. The seller will see the configured shipping methods available to choose from. This completes the setup for zone-wise shipping with multiple shipping options. In our next video, we'll cover the postcode-wise shipping type. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.